Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Comment
Bonjour,
allez-vous?
madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame.
Ça va?
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, dear. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ça va? Comment allez-vous? Why no one is replying? Ça va? Ça va, Bia? Mercy. Say.
Tava meia mercy.
Yes. Yeah, yes. You have to say that. I asked many times, right? Comment allez-vous? Ça va, Bia? Mercy. Not kava. Ça va, Bia? Mercy. D'accord.
Tava meia mercy.
Okay. All of you keep your cameras on.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Cameras on, everyone.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Mm.
Bonjour, madam.
Okay. Hadia won't be able to on camera. Okay. Okay, Hadia. D'accord. Others, keep your camera on.
Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous?
Ça va, dear. Ça va.
Comment
Who's this in the name ID of Babu Putunjira?
Ma'am, that's Aman Babu.
Okay, okay. Yes. All of you keep a camera on. Nilha,
Yes,
Devarsh, keep your camera on. Bonjour. D'accord. So in the
Bonjour, madame.
in the previous class we learned few words, right? We were learning words in the last week. We didn't had class. All of you take your textbook. Those who have textbook, take your textbook. Page number 20. Page number 20. Page number 20.
Yes. Oui, madame.
D'accord. Abel Anthony, read from page number 20. Abel, are you reading?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am
Aman. Wait.
I am rename it.
Okay, good. Abel Anthony, can you read? I think you are my yes. Read.
How is okay?
Page number
22. Page number not 20. Page number 20. Page number 20. Abel, read.
Now it's okay.
Yeah. Read.
Airport.
Mm,
A being.
mm,
Car.
mm,
Elephant.
mm,
March. Giraffe.
mm.
Ma'am.
Trebia, Abel. Yes, Hadia, now I can see you. Krishank, read from page number 21.
Mercy, madam.
Bia, when you able. 21, Krishank. Igloo. Mm,
Jaguar.
mm,
Kangaroo.
mm. Leon. Mm,
Meal.
mm,
Nick.
mm,
Oyster.
mm,
Perope.
mm,
Q.
mm. Trebia, Krishank. Now.
Ma'am, Shankar now full.
Ensuite,
Ma'am, I know till Z.
wait. That part we didn't learn. Ivina, read the words in this slide. Ivina. Ivania, read the words from this slide. Ivania Rose. Read.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Leo.
Mm.
Need.
Mm.
Need.
Mm.
O is O.
Mm.
Parakeet.
Paraquet.
Parakeet.
Mm.
Q.
Mm.
Rose.
Mm. Sanj.
France.
Then
Tiger.
tigre.
Tigre.
Dako Ivania. Dako. Practice. Evina. Not Evina. Ivan. Ivan Saiju. Read.
Kangaroo.
Mm.
Leo.
Mm.
Mile.
Not
Meal.
mile. Meal.
Meal.
Mm.
Need.
Mm. Oiso.
O is O.
Mm.
Parakeet.
Mm.
Q.
Mm.
Rose.
Mm.
Sanj. Tigre.
Très bien, Ivan. Ensuite, Hamdan. Hamdan, read. Hamdan. Hamdan, unmute and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Meal.
Mm.
Knit.
Mm.
Ayaso.
Oiso.
Oiso.
Mm.
Aeroke.
Mm.
Paroke.
Mm.
Kui. Rose.
Q, not Q. Q. Mm.
Rose.
Mm.
Sick.
Sanj.
Sanj.
Mm.
Tigre.
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 Dako, Dako. Hamdan. Ensuite, Shankar, you can read. Shankar, read only the words in this slide, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
Kangaroo.
Mm.
Leon.
Mm. Not Leon. N will be silent. It is Leon.
Leon.
Mm.
Leon.
Mm.
Meal.
Mm.
Knit.
Mm.
Oiso.
Mm.
Paraquet.
Mm.
Quick.
Mm.
Rose.
Mm.
Sanj.
Mm.
Tigre.
Trebia, Shankar. Who? We, Aman. Read.
Kangaroo.
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 Mm.
Leon.
Mm.
Meal.
Mm.
Knit.
Mm.
Oiso.
Mm.
Paraquet.
Mm.
Q.
Mm.
Rose.
Mm.
Sanj.
Mm.
Tigre.
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 Dako, Trebia. Okay, now all of you mute. Okay, now we are going to learn the next set of words. Okay, remaining words we are going to learn. Donc, avec letter U, it is easy because same as in English. Okay, uniform. Uniform. Okay, uniform spelling is almost same as in English. Only thing is additional E is there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
have a net issue. That's why I late.
No problem, dear. We are just starting. Okay, we just started. Till this time, we were revising the previous class topics, words. Okay, so uniform, avec letter U, say uniform is having same spelling as in English. Only one additional letter is added here, that is E. Okay, pronunciation is same as in English. Uniform, no other changes. Okay, just read as uniform. D'accord? Ensuite, avec lettre V, c'est vache. Vache. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Vache. Oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est vache? Qu'est-ce que c'est vache?
Cow.
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 Wash. Say cow.
Cow.
Wash means cow. Qu'est-ce que c'est wash?
Cow.
Cow. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Wash.
Wash.
D'accord, d'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, avec lettre W, c'est wagon. Not wagon. That's not wagon. Wagon. I'm going to mute. Someone is saying wagon. That's not wagon. Wagon. N will be silent. Here, N will be silent. Wagon. Okay? Oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est wagon? Anyone knows? Qu'est-ce que c'est wagon? Yes. Yes, that's a train. And this one is a goods train. Wagon means it's a goods train. Goods train. It's a goods train. Not good train. Désolé moi. Goods train, which only carries goods, not passengers. You know what is goods, right? Other than people will carry things like, okay, heavy things will used to carry. Yeah, that train. Which only, yes. Wagon means goods train. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Wagon. Yes. N will be silent. Don't say as wagon. That pronunciation is wrong. Wagon.
A train.
Yes. Wagon is a goods train.
We put heavy things inside the
Yes, heavy things inside, not passengers, not people. Passengers, not people or passengers. We are using only there in this train will only carry goods. D'accord? Ensuite, the next one, avec lettre X, c'est xylophone.
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 Qu'est-ce que c'est xylophone?
Xylophone.
Oui, xylophone means xylophone, and that's a musical instrument. You can see there 2 sticks are there. If you use that sticks to beat on top of those metal rods, you will be able to hear different sounds which makes music. Okay, so xylophone. In English, we will say xylophone. In French, there is a little change in the pronunciation. That will be xylophone.
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 Here, N you can pronounce. This N is not silent. You can pronounce this. Okay? Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Oui.
Xylophone.
D'accord. D'accord. Ensuite, avec lettre Y, Y, lettre Y in French is Y. Okay? Avec lettre Y, c'est yash.
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 Qu'est-ce que c'est yash? Qu'est-ce que c'est yash?
Sheep.
That's not a sheep. This one is not a sheep.
Yacht.
Yeah, yes, yash. Or you can say
Yacht.
sailing boat. It's a sailing boat. Yash is a sailing boat.
Sailing boat catch wind and go.
Yes. Okay, sailing boat. It's a sailing boat. Yash is a sailing boat, and here T will be silent. Yash. Yash. Okay. Ensuite, zebra.
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 Qu'est-ce que c'est zebra?
Zebra.
Here
Zebra.
you can see on top of letter E there is one accent, and that accent is laxograph. Laxograph accent is there. We learned accents, right? We learned 5 accents. Yes. So in that this accent is there, and this one is laxograph on top of letter E on zebra, and the pronunciation will be zebra.
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 D'accord. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. Uniform.
Uniform.
Wash.
Wash.
Wagon.
Wagon.
Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Yash.
Yash.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Again, uniform.
Uniform.
Wash.
Wash.
Wagon.
Wagon.
Telephone.
Telephone.
Yash.
Yash.
Zebra.
Zebra.
D'accord. Repeat the syllable play again. After that, I am going to call to read. Okay. So practice. Uniform.
Uniform.
Wash.
Wash.
Wagon.
Wagon.
Telephone.
Telephone.
Yash. Zebra. Zebra. Okay. Now all of you quickly take your rough book. Take your rough book, all of you. And everyone, you have to write and study these words along with the meaning for 5 times in your rough book. Okay?
Can I look the book?
Yes, you can look at the book and write, no problem. Meaning is written on here. Okay? I have written the meanings here. Sailing boat. Then, yeah. So this much, okay. The meanings I wrote over there, you have to write and study. And children, next week, you will have a reading test. Reading test will be there next week. In the French class, you have to prepare and come page number 20, 21 and 22. Reading test, okay. I am writing here the page numbers. Reading test. Page number 20, 21, 22. Prepare and come. Okay, all of you? D'accord? Très bien.
Okay, ma'am.
And after that, after this text, after this text, after this text, in another week, we will have a written test also. Dictation, not dictation exactly. Small written test also will be there. So you have to learn the spelling from now itself. I am informing you this much early so that you can prepare for that. So next week there will be only reading test. Okay. Next week there will be only reading test. And after that, another week, I will keep a test paper and I will let you know about that through the WhatsApp. D'accord. Sai Krishna, what are you doing there? Sai Krishna, wake up. Sai Krishna. Write and study.
Five times, right?
Yes, write and study 5 times. 5 times. Alna, unmute and read, Alna.
Uniform.
Hmm? Sai Krishna, where is your rough book? Take your rough book and write and study.
Ma'am, page number?
Page number 22. Page
Okay.
number 22.
Dragon. Xylophone.
Yes.
Uniform.
Zebra.
Zebra.
D'accord, ensuite, Abel Anthony.
Will madam.
Shiza, write and study, Shiza.
Will madam. Uniform. Wash. Wagon.
Xylophone.
Xylophone. Yash. Zebra.
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 D'accord, Abel. On sweet. Abhinav TS is there? Abhinav
Mercy,
TS.
madam.
Be when you able. Abhinav TS read.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, page number 20.
22.
Okay, ma'am. Uniform. Watch. Wagon.
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 Mm.
Eat.
Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Mm.
Zebra.
After xylophone, there is another words also. Read.
Yeah.
Yash.
Yash. Zebra.
Not zebra. Zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Dakho Abhinav. Ensuite, able CB.
Yes,
Able
ma'am.
CB.
Yes, yes.
Read.
Uniform,
Hmm.
cow,
After uniform. WASCHE. Wash.
wash,
Hmm.
train,
After wash. Wagon.
wagon,
Then xylophone.
silicon,
Yash.
yash,
Zebra.
zebra,
Not zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra. Read again, Abel. Shiza, right hand study, Shiza. Sia PS. Abhinav. Nilha, keep your cameras on.
Okay, ma'am.
Abel, read again. Abel CB, read again.
yes, ma'am. Uniform,
Hmm.
wash,
Hmm. Wagon.
wagon,
Not wagon. Wagon.
wagon,
Then
then
xylophone.
silicon,
Hmm. Yash.
yash,
Hmm.
zebra,
Zebra.
zebra,
Not zebra.
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 Abel, I will call you again. You need to practice, okay? I will call you again after some time. On
Ma'am,
to the
I
Aman
can't
Babu.
write. Ma'am, I can't write.
Now, Abel, you don't have to write and study. You can write and study later. Now you practice the pronunciation properly.
Uniform.
Hmm?
Wash.
Hmm?
Wagon.
Hmm?
Cylon phone.
Xylophone.
Ceylon phone.
Hmm?
Yacht.
Hmm?
Zebra.
Not zebra. Zebra.
Zebra.
Dakko. Prayaga, write and study. Prayaga. Dakko Aman. On to the Ananya. Ananya. Ananya is there. Absent. Avish. Avish. Absent. Devarsh. Read Devarsh. Read Devarsh.
Uniform.
Hmm?
Wash.
Hmm?
Wagon.
Hmm?
Xylophone.
Hmm?
Yash.
Hmm?
Zebra.
Dakon. Trebia Devarsh. On sweet Vivek. Yeah. Sia PS. Read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read here.
Uniform.
Hmm? Wash.
Wash.
Wagon.
Wagon.
Hmm? Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Hmm? Yash.
Yash. Zebra.
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 Read again. Sia. Meanwhile, Ivania, Sai Krishna, Johan, Elroy. Keep your cameras on. Ivania Rose.
Ma'am, today Sia birthday.
Today is
Yes,
Sia's
ma'am.
birthday. Happy birthday, Sia. Bon anniversary.
Thank you, ma'am.
D'accord. Okay. Sai Krishna, keep your camera on. Okay.
Uniform.
Hmm?
Badge.
Hmm?
Wagon.
Hmm? Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Hmm?
Yash.
Hmm?
Zebra.
D'accord, Evina. Ensuite,
Claudia.
ensuite, Shiza. Read.
Ma'am.
Ivania, write and study. Take your rough book and write and study, Ivania.
Uniform.
Hmm?
Wash.
Hmm? Wagon.
Wagon.
Hmm?
Fun.
Ivania, you finish writing and studying, Ivania.
Already wrote, ma'am.
Okay, write and study 5 times each.
Yes.
Okay, Shiza, continue.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra. D'accord, Shiza. Ensuite, Devarsh. Read.
Zebra.
Devarsh K. Sahin. Devarsh K. Sahin. Is there? Devarsh K. Sahin is there?
Absent, ma'am.
Absent. Okay. Then Sarah Selin. Sarah. Sarah is there today? Absent. Okay.
Claudia.
Sankalp, read. Sankalp. Sankalp. Yeah. Read.
Uniform.
Hmm?
Wash.
Hmm?
Wagon.
Hmm?
Xylophone.
Hmm?
Yash.
Hmm? Zebra. Zebra.
Zebra.
Takko Sankalp. Ensuite, Naumika is there? Naumika? Absent. Okay.
we done, ma'am.
Who? Yeah. Wait. Lakshana is there? Lakshana?
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshana, read.
Uniform.
Hmm?
Fardin Prasomadan.
Read, Lakshana.
Okay, ma'am. Uniform.
Hmm?
Watch.
Hmm?
Wagon.
Hmm? Xylophone. Lakshana, I think you are having network issue, not able to hear you properly. Prithvi, you read.
Uniform.
Hmm?
Wash.
Hmm?
Wagon.
Hmm?
Xylophone.
Hmm?
Yacht.
Hmm?
Zebra.
D'accord, très bien, très bien. Ensuite, Krishank, read.
Uniform.
Hmm.
Wash.
Hmm.
Wago.
Hmm.
Seal.
Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm.
Zebra.
Trebia.
And
Trebia.
audio.
Ridik
And
Sunil.
Ma'am,
Wait. Ridik Sunil, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Uniform, wash,
Hmm.
bago,
Hmm.
xylophone,
Hmm.
yash,
Hmm.
zebra.
Trebia. Hadia, you can read.
Ini madam.
Hmm.
Uniform,
Hmm.
wash,
Hmm.
wagon,
Hmm.
xylophone,
Not xylophone. Xylophone.
xylophone,
Hmm.
yash,
Hmm.
zebra.
Trebia, Hadia. Ensuite, Sanga, dako. Ensuite, Elvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Uniform.
Hmm.
Wash.
Hmm. Wagon. Hmm.
Xylophone.
Hmm.
Yash.
Hmm.
Zebra.
Zebra. Trebia. Kevin, read, Kevin.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm.
Uniform,
Hmm.
wash,
Hmm.
wagon,
Hmm.
xylophone,
Hmm.
yash,
Hmm.
zebra.
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 Dakon, Trebia. Johan. Ensuite, Johan, read.
Uniform,
Hmm.
wash,
Hmm.
wagon,
Hmm. Hmm.
yacht,
Yash.
yacht, zebra.
Zebra. Dako. Now, wait. Esther is there. Esther. Esther absent. Then Hamdan is there. Hamdan present.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishan Krishna.
Pardim Prasad, madam.
Ishan Krishna
Yes, ma'am.
present. Then Jeffreyon is there. Jeffreyon absent. Okay. Then Rukma is there. Rukma absent. Okay. So the names of absentees are Ananya, Avish, Devarsh, K. Sahin, Naumika, Elroy, Esther, Jeffreyon, Olivia, Ritik S, Rukma, Ryan Salish, Sarah. These are the names of absentees. Okay. So everyone, there will be reading test in the next week. So prepare and come for that. Okay.
Can I read?
Let me see. Yes, Hamdan, read Hamdan.
Wash.
Hmm?
Uniform. Wash. Wagon. Xylophone.
Hmm?
We.
Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Hmm?
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
After xylophone, Hamdan. Yash.
Yash.
I think Hamdan lost the connection. Lamis, can you read Lamis?
Ma'am, is can read?
Ma'am, I'll read.
Wait. Lamis, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Unicorn.
Uniform.
Uniform.
Hmm. Wash. Lamis, wash. Hmm.
Wash.
Hmm.
Wago.
Hmm.
Wago.
Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Hmm?
Yash.
Hmm? Zebra. D'accord. Okay, all of you. It's time to end the session. Okay, practice and come for the written test next week. Okay. Au revoir. It's time to end the session. Bye. Au revoir.